Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can turn off or turn on a screen mirror effect of your front camera in the Motorola G23. So at the start, open the camera app, switch the camera to the front one, and how you can see, now the photo is not flipped. So if you want to turn off the screen mirror effect, just go to the settings, look for the photos, expand this option and turn off the selfie photo mirror. And now just take a photo. And how you can see, this is the difference between this mode. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.